To access your Google Docs, you need to go to your Drive, which in a Gmail account, you use this icon right here to go to your Drive. That will take me to my Drive. You can see I have the folder made for this class, and first of all, we're going to take a look at a Word doc. This article was posted on my company's website this morning, so this is something that I have copyright permissions for. What we do is to train editors. We will set up a time for the editor and the trainer to both open the document at the same time and go through the corrections that are necessary in an article that they have edited. This provides them with real-time instruction that they can take away immediately. Another application would be for English teachers. Students could submit their rough drafts in a Google Doc. The teacher and the student could set up a time to meet for the corrections, and then the instructor can provide notes via comment boxes, and the student can ask questions immediately. And I believe that would save the teacher a lot of time in writing all the comments when they can just type them in a comment box. What I've done here is I have highlighted right here, highlight, errors that if this were a real correction I was doing with an editor, that I would point out to him or her. And how we use this for my work is we would insert a comment and put the correction necessary right here. I'm going to access the same article as if I were a student on a different account so that you can see the changes as they're being made. You can see here that someone else has joined the document. If they do not have Google Plus with a profile picture, then Google just chooses a random animal to put as the icon. So for instance, I can add a comment back. And the comment will appear right here. And the student and the instructor can reply back and forth as much as necessary. Let's say you want to know who makes corrections in the document. You can see the corrections being made immediately. And you could also go here to all changes saved, and it will show who has made changes. Another application of this would be, for instance, for a school newspaper. Going back to my Drive. When I was a yearbook advisor, this is something that we did whenever articles were due for a yearbook page. Someone could write an article here, and then each different color would be another person's assignment. So for instance, whoever was in charge of that sport would get quotes from the player and insert it. Whoever the photographer was for that sport would see, for instance, that orange is their color, and see here, these are the pictures that they need for this page in the yearbook. We had assignments for stats for the sports. So whoever is blue would see that this is their page and they need to find out these stats for the hypothetical sport here.